வாழ்க வளமுடன். God bless you all, my dear children. I think you would have watched that integers first part, no? This is second part with the brackets. Here only little bit doubt you will be getting it. The same pattern, the same numbers only I have taken with the bracket. So when you see that, see the same numbers, how you are getting different answer, you could have seen this. Okay, this way of approach will you give you very good confidence in handling integers. Okay, so just go through the video fully. Definitely you will never do any mistakes in your word problems and even doing this integers also. Okay, now see, as I told you, for brackets, for multiplication, if the bracket has come, no problem in answers, no problem in signs, because we are going to do only multiplication. So same way, 25 are 100, 25 are 100, everything is 100, same sign plus same sign plus different sign minus, that's all. Even for division also, even if the bracket has come, it won't give any doubts at all, because only we are going to do division. So all are 4 only, same sign 4 plus same sign plus different sign minus, that's it. Only you will be getting the doubt when the numbers are separated by plus sign and separated by minus sign. Okay, is it clear for you? So when you bring it out only, you will be getting all doubts. So if you are so thorough with removing the brackets, then you will never get any doubt in integers at all. You will never do mistakes also. Now I have to remove the brackets. So how will I remove? 20, because there is no sign in front, it will not affect also. Only this bracket will be affected because of this sign. So that too in plus it won't affect, but let me explain and then we will understand the shortcut. Okay, so plus I need to remove it, same sign, so I am multiplying, because I am removing the bracket means I am multiplying. So same sign, so plus 5 only. Here first number write as it is, only here this removal of bracket, different sign, so minus 5. Here say minus 20, same sign plus 5. Here different sign, so the first number as it is you write, then it is minus 5. Now as usual in the previous video, as I told you, no, same sign means you have to do the addition action and then put the same sign. Here also addition only, same sign means you have to do plus, that is add, and then put the same sign. And then different action means you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. Here also subtract and put the bigger number sign. The same answer will you be getting here also? Definitely not. So listen this very carefully. 20, you can simply remove the bracket because nothing is before in the bracket before the first number. So only here only the problem arises. Here see, when you want to remove this bracket, both are with different sign. So minus 5. We are not multiplying because you just think that there is 1. So 1 into 5, 5. Always simply think that different sign. So minus. We are multiplying only sign here. Here see, same sign. So then it is plus. Then this is different sign. Then it is, see, minus 20 as it is the first number. Different sign. So minus 5. So 20, same sign plus 5. See, now this is entirely changed like this. The same pattern only I have written, but here the answer is 50. See, here the answer is 25. The same number with minus sign inside, the answer is 50. So only removal of bracket makes the answer completely different. So you have to understand one thing. See here, same a different sign, no? Different action means what I told you in addition subtraction. You have to subtract, put the bigger number sign. You have to same sign. So you have to add and the same sign you have. When you add, same sign only. When you subtract only, the problem arises. When you add to action, what action you are doing, what sign you are doing, add only. When you do different signs, different action, that time when you subtract only, bigger number sign. So I think you will never forget. So same sign, add, then same sign only will be coming. Different sign, subtract. When you subtract only, you must get a confusion which sign. That means greater number sign. Which action is greater, that action will be coming. So 20 plus 5, 25. See, the same type of number, because of the sign outside, I am subtracting. All the answers are just different answers we are getting it. So I think it will be very clear to you. Now see the one thing, let me tell you one short remembering here. When you have a plus sign before a bracket, you no need to worry what the number is inside the bracket, the same number will be coming. Is it clear? So when you have a subtraction sign before a bracket, when you remove the bracket, the sign inside will change it. If it is plus, become minus. If it is minus, will become plus. If it is plus, become minus. So this minus will become plus. So whenever you remove a bracket, just look at the sign what is before that. If the sign is plus, you no need to worry of removing of bracket. You can simply remove the bracket. Even though there will be some more than 5 numbers, 6 numbers also, if plus number is before the bracket, you can simply remove the bracket. Okay? If the minus sign is there, then you have to change the sign of the number inside the bracket. That is the opposite sign you have to write. If 5 numbers are there, 5 numbers also will be changed in this signs. Is it clear for you? I think you would have liked this video very much. It will be very, very easy for you to understand. You will definitely get a very good confidence. You will never do any mistakes. Okay? God bless you, children. Thank you.